Are you tired of noisy environments disturbing your peace? Look no further. The Soundcore Anker Life Q20 Hybrid Active Noise Canceling Headphones are here to revolutionize your audio experience. Crystal clear sound. Enjoy high-resolution audio with deep bass that brings your music to life. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or taking important calls, the Life Q20 delivers exceptional sound quality. Hybrid active noise canceling. Say goodbye to distractions with advanced noise canceling technology, perfect for travel, office work, or just relaxing at home. 70 hours of playtime. With an impressive 70-hour battery life, you can enjoy your music all day long without worrying about running out of power. USB-C charging. Quick and convenient charging with USB-C ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your music. Travel-friendly design. The foldable design and memory foam ear cups make these headphones comfortable and easy to carry, perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Ideal for office use. Whether you're working from home or in the office, the Life Q20 provides the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Get yours today. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Click the link in the description to purchase your Soundcore Anker Life Q20 Hybrid Active Noise Canceling Headphones now. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and deals. Like, share, and comment below to let us know your thoughts on these incredible headphones.